Hi, my name is Bree Clark and I'm a software expert, and today I'm going to show you how to use Paste Special in Excel to multiply by 2. First, you want to put the number 2 in a cell. This will be your factor for multiplication. Next, click on the cell that contains the number 2 and click the Copy button, or you could use Control-C. Then select the range you want to multiply by this number. In this case, I'm going to select B3 through E7, and then go to the Paste drop-down, select Paste Special, and choose Multiply. When you click OK, all of those numbers get multiplied by 2. My name is Bree Clark, I'm a software expert, and I just showed you how to use Paste Special in Excel to multiply by 2.